Welcome everybody to the Endco Demo enrollment site. What I'm going to show you today is how to log in, how to get through the basic census information for the employee. Then I'm going to show you how to do a core product, a colonial voluntary product, and then I'm going to show you how to complete the process. It is extremely simple, and although there may be features that we show you today that won't be used in your next enrollment, there may also be features that I don't show you today that will be. So this is just a brief overview for your information. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up an individual who's already in the system, and I'm going to log in with their information. If we include their email, then an email confirmation will be sent to them when the enrollment is over. If you are authorized to be in this account, your name will show up on the drop-down menu. Since I'm authorized to be in the account, my name is in the menu. We're going to be doing this enrollment. I'm going to put San Antonio, Texas as our site. I'm going to click log in. Now, if an employee is not in the database and you have the authority from the account to add an employee, you can click register to input the information for the enrollment. If not, and they are in the database, simply click log in. The first screen that you come to is the family status screen of the employee profile. You can go through here and you can choose and make sure that you have all the correct information filled out. It's imperative that we verify all the information. Everything with an asterisk is required, and you cannot proceed without it. If you need to add a dependent, this is where you would do that as well. Once you've made any changes, click Submit. What you'll notice is at the top it tells you the profile is updated. Once that happens, as you saw, I changed the gender and added male. Then we go to click on the button that says Benefit Enrollment. The benefit enrollment link will take us to the screen that shows us the different options that are available. As I said earlier, I'm only going to show you one core product, and then I'm going to show you a Colonial Life product, and then I'm going to show you the confirmation. Now, this enrollment is set up step by step, so you don't have a choice. You can't click on Colonial or the confirmation until you make decisions on the products above. Once you make a decision on a product and move to the next one, you'll have the ability to go back and make changes. Also, if you notice up here, you must authorize your elections by entering the PIN number and clicking Submit. So on the confirmation screen, if you don't do that, then we're not saving the information. So let's look at the medical. So at this point in time, we have the ability to choose a reason for declination, and we don't have to do anything else. If we choose one of these reasons, it will automatically advance us to the next product. Or if we choose enroll, it will take us into the different available options for this particular plan. Again, every company is different, so every look and feel of the enrollment is different as well. Here, there are several different options. We only have the employee put in the system. So if I choose the other options, the system will error out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply put employee only. And this particular program is for the full-time employees. If this was a part-time employee, then there, in this case, Bill, there's other options. No dependents are chosen. And if you noticed, here's the time and date of the signature. They click to sign, and then the employee clicks to sign. Let me clarify that. And then the enroller clicks submit. What we did now is we moved from the Blue Cross Blue Shield that has now changed color down to Colonial Life Plan. Again, we can choose decline right here and give a reason, or we click enroll. When you click enroll, it will actually window you into the Harmony platform. This is what all of our benefits counselors already see, already know, and already understand. So I'm simply going to click get a quote, and I'm going to run through this very quickly since you already know. As you can see, it's a very easy process, and it moves rather quickly. Go through your consent like you normally would. Again, I'm going quick. It's imperative that you ask all these questions. As I click through here, you can see that there is no difference from this enrollment system to anything that you've already done. We're going to go ahead and click also uniquely to make it simple. If you click that beneficiary, it would take you back to the beneficiary screen where you add somebody in, and then you can bring it right back into here. So we're going to save and continue. This is very important. This is where the employee needs to take control of your mouse or your touchpad, and the employee clicks I agree because this is their signature. Again, you're going to make them put in their password at the end of this to authorize their signature, but in that section and this section, the employee must agree. This is the required background release to allow them to look at their health information. If they choose I do not agree, they will not be able to buy the product. So they will click I agree. Now we have agent questions. Are you replacing? I'm just going to answer these questions. Agree with the application. The agent clicks agree. Now, notice it says thank you, just like the Harmony screen does. Hit continue. It'll bring us back to our get a quote. If we click my benefits, we are brought back into the Endco enrollment platform along with the premium cost for the coverage. And as you can tell, we got moved down into the confirmation window. So what you have here is on a pre-tax basis, you have both the medical and the colonial plan for a total amount of deduction there. Scrolling down, you can see information on the pre-tax cafeteria plans. And here's where they need to put their PIN code in and hit submit to verify their signature. This is not a verified app. So I'm going to put the PIN code in and hit submit. There we go. So now we have on the confirmation screen that the payment authorization information has been updated. If you go in and make any changes to the plans, you will have to re-verify their signature. And as you notice down at the bottom, it says verified yes and the time. When you're done here, you can go to the current coverage screen, and you can actually see a summary of their benefits. If you need to hit print screen to print this out to give to the employee, you can. Otherwise, it will be emailed to you. Again, this is a very simple, straightforward program, very easy to enroll in, very easy to understand, and also you will have information for who to contact if you have questions built into every enrollment site that you go to. We're going to click log out, and that will end our demo. Thank you.